The education program offers so much. It offers benefits for both the school and the student. Schools receive free licenses of J-Pro Next Step Repair, deeply discounted hardware, and J-Pro certification access for all of the instructors. The students also receive J-Pro certification access, as well as free demo licenses where they can practice on the software without being connected to a truck, scholarship opportunities each semester, and packages upon graduation where they receive free software and a discount code they can use on the Noregon web store.
The diagnostic tool is one of those tools that basically you've got to have. Whether you're in the shop, whether you're in the dealer, or you're in a training environment like we are here, you've got to have the proper diagnostic tools. I think it's very important that we have a product like Noregon's J-Pro and Next Step programs to be able to connect and interface with the vehicles and equipment, just to be able to give the students the learning experience that's going to set them up for what they're going to see out in the industry.
We're super proud of how much we've been able to really expand this program since it started in 2019. We offer more free licenses than we did when we first started, and we've doubled our scholarship amount. We saw the impact that such a small thing has on a student, and we know that being able to provide more is just going to be able to help even more students.